Nerdgasm!
Hey, what's up guys? Jerry here, aka Barnacles, and in this episode of Tech Tip, I will be showing you how to set up your very first live stream on either the Twitch TV or YouTube live streaming networks. Now, this doesn't require any prior knowledge of how to live stream, and we will be working with a software package that is completely free and open source even. So if you cannot figure out how to set up a live stream at the end of this tutorial, then I am a horrible teacher. Now, there are a lot of starting your streaming, starting your local recording, previewing the stream, editing the stream, and so on. And we're going to walk through each one of those. Now you'll notice if we just click preview stream, we just get a black box. That's all you get. So if you were live streaming right now, you would be live streaming absolutely nothing but the voice. Because if you look down here at the little microphone, you can see the meters going up and down as I'm talking, because my voice is actually mapped because it's using the default microphone on the system. You can opt to change that to something else if you want, but that's the default configuration. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do here is we want to add a source to our scene. So we're going to right click in the sources box, we're going to go to add, and you see you can capture windows, you can capture a monitor, you can put an image on there, you can put text over it, you can even do video capture devices like webcams and capture cards. So we're going to do a video capture device. We're going to just call this webcam.
Easter clothing. How unexciting. It's what you'd say before today. Introducing the napkins for my new spring snack line of Easter wear. Don't worry, Cody. Those seersucker pants with napkins sewn on will help keep your hands clean. And they're multi-layered, so you can share. Well, that got weird. The napkins, made exclusively for Easter.
Device. We're going to just call this webcam.
Hi guys, and welcome to another video. And today I'll be showing you and click the first thing that gets the rating system like Windows. That's because you have to add press on sources, then on this plus, and here you will see display capture that I already added. And on display capture, it will capture your screen. Like, it won't be black. It will be like this, like you see it right here. Then you should add a microphone. I added my microphone from my headphones actually. When you add it, it will ask you like default microphone array. I use my microphone. Press OK. Now we will go on to the other settings. Language, theme, you can change the theme. It's like it's nothing special. I like the default theme. So now, just a second. Okay, now you will be needing to set up stream settings if you're planning on streaming. So I use YouTube Gaming, which is better, I think, better than Twitch nowadays. So the stream key. When you get into YouTube in your account, you will see the stream key, and don't ever show to anyone your stream key, or they can stream for you. They can F up your account or whatever. So you just copy paste it here, your stream key, and that's it for streaming. So now let's go to output. Here you have all the stuff you need. I don't
your icon in the upper right-hand corner and then go to Creator Studio right there under your username. Once we do that, we'll see something here where it says under Events, it'll say Schedule a New Event. If we click on that, we're going to be able to Hey guys, and welcome back to another Tech Guru video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to live stream from YouTube. So we all know about Twitch. They're the big hitter here under our Creator Studio. Now, if you do not know where Creator Studio is, you go up here, click on your icon in the upper right-hand corner, and then go to Creator Studio right there under your username. Once we do that, we'll see something here where it says under Events, it'll say Schedule a New Event. If we click on that, we're going to be able to schedule a live stream event. So we can schedule it for now, right here. We can set the date, we can set the time, we can then title it right here. So you put the title of the stream right here. And then what'll happen is when I go live now, or if I set it for later, whatever it is, I will create an event. Now, when I create an event, it'll show up to my subscribers. It'll be sent out to their feed, and it'll let them know, okay, at this time, I'm going to be streaming this game, or I'm going to be streaming this event, okay? And it'll come through just like a video, and they'll be able to be notified when you go live on YouTube. So again, go into the Creator Studio, go to live streaming, and then go underneath the Stream Now beta button, go to events, and then go ahead and set up your event. Now, I would recommend adding tags, okay? I would recommend adding a relevant title. Make sure you schedule it correctly in your time zone, and then obviously public, private, unlisted, whatever. If it just works the same way videos do, if you want it to go to the public, do that. If you want it to be unlisted, go here. And if you want only to send out a link, then go to private. Under advanced settings, you're going to see a few different things. Now, under chat, you can either enable or disable chat. Now, if you're going to stream something, you're probably going to want to be interactive, so you probably don't want to disable live chat. Then you can go here, you got ownership, all of that good stuff. You got the caption certification here. You can add a category, a video location. You can do all of the good stuff you can do with normal videos that you're putting on, or VODs, whatever you want to call them. And then we got monetization. You can actually monetize right here, just like you would a video. You can monetize your live stream. And you can actually decide when you want to play an ad. Again, you got to be a partner with YouTube to be able to do that. And if you want to know how to do that, I'll have the link down below on how to become a YouTube partner and set up Google AdSense and run ads on your videos. Now, back to the streaming. Now, once we get the event set up, we're now going to need to set up our stream. In order to do that, under or above the events link here, you're going to see a link that says Stream Now. You're going to see something that looks like this. Now, under this here, this is where all the magic happens. This is where you have to set up your stream so that it works later when your event goes live. Now, let's start from the beginning. The first thing I'm going to tell you is this. You can move any of these boxes around. So if you want chat to be under your video when you're live streaming, you can just click and hold and move it there. So just click on this little square in the upper right-hand corner here, the little gray square, and then just move it over. So I can move any of these. I can move the live stream over here. Then I can actually move the chat up here. And again, you're going to have to kind of play around with it and get the UI the way you want it. Now, let's go ahead and put this guy back over here where he was, and then put the video back up here. Now, if we go down to the bottom, we're going to see some pretty important stuff. Now, right here where it says live streaming checklist, it basically tells you what you have to do. Okay, so set up your encoding software. Okay, so your encoding software is going to be like OBS or what other software that you may use to live stream the Twitch or wherever you may be live streaming. So if you're using OBS or XSplit or whatever you may be using, you need to set that up. Now, if I go and open up my OBS here, you can see me here. You got my audio recorder there, so don't worry about any of that. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Here's my OBS. I got it set up. Now, you need to know where to find your information. So if we go to settings here and then go to stream in OBS, I can set the service to YouTube, and then it'll come up with my stream key right here. I also have a video on how to find your stream key if you don't already know how to do that. But in OBS, now this is the Mac version. In the Windows version, it's the same basically thing. You just click on stream, and then you select your service, whether it be Hitbox, Twitch, YouTube, whatever, and then select the server, and then get your stream key. Now, once you get your stream key, copy and paste that, and then go back over to YouTube. The server URL will already be provided for you, and then all you have to do is go ahead and paste the stream key under the encoder setup down below. So once you've done that, your encoder is set up. Now, obviously, you got to go into OBS or XSplit and set up your scene like I have here with your webcam and your desktop and whatever your audio may be. You got to do all of that in your streaming software and make sure that's ready to go. So once you've set up your encoding software, you then want to move on to adding the information for your stream.